Hi guys, in this video we learn meaning of outcome, in English and Hindi with example sentences. If you found this video helpful, then please hit like button and share this video to all. Outcome, meaning in English is the result or effect of a situation, or event. आउटकम का हिंदी अर्थ है परिणाम या नतीजा. It is the outcome of our research. यह हमारे शोध का परिणाम है. The outcome of the discussion is still unknown. चर्चा का परिणाम अभी भी अज्ञात है. What will be the outcome of the election? चुनाव का नतीजा क्या होगा? If you are watching this video on YouTube, then please subscribe to our channel, or if you are watching it on Facebook, kindly follow our page, and also don't forget to like and share this video.